Creamy zucchini risotto. Risotto is one of the most famous Italian dishes, known to be cooked with vegetables. Try our recipe with zucchini and enjoy the wonderful taste of your recipe.
Here are the amounts. 1 olive oil, 4 tablespoons. 2 onion, 1 piece, finely chopped. 3 garlic, 2 cloves, mashed. 4 zucchini, 300 grams, cut into cubes. 5 rice, 300 grams, risotto rice. 6 vegetable broth, 3 cups. 7 butter, a tablespoon. 8 Parmesan cheese, 50 g. 9 parsley, for garnish. How to prepare. In a pot on the stove, put olive oil, then add onions and garlic and stir until the ingredients wilt. Add the chopped zucchini and rice and stir a little, then gradually add the vegetable broth while stirring. When the rice is cooked to the desired degree, add the butter and Parmesan cheese, and stir the ingredients until mixed. Pour the risotto into a serving dish, garnish with basil, and serve immediately. Well, I wish you a good appetite. I will see you in a new recipe from the world's kitchens. See you soon.